welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Cougar MX330-G PRO mid-tower case with provision for 5.25-inch drive base. So friend, Cougar has unveiled the MX330-G PRO and ATX mid-tower case with provision for up to two 5.25-inch drives and airy mesh front panel and friend 5.5-inch base are designed to offer minimal intrusion into the case with just a stub for the front screws of 5.25-inch drives on their left side and with the right integrated with the motherboard tray for the entire row of screws, and this metal stub can be removed to enable installation of large 360mm radiator along the front panel, and where the 5.25-inch bay covers retain the mesh surface of the rest of the front panel, and it features conventional horizontally and partition layout with the motherboard tray serving up to room for graphics card up to 38.5 cm in length, CPU coolers up to 16 cm in height, and fan mounts include 3 140 or 120mm front intakes and 3 120mm or 2 140mm top exhaust and 120mm rear exhaust, and radiator mounting option include up to 360mm along the front, up to 360mm along the top, and 120mm along the rear panel. And besides the two 5.5-inch drive base, you get two 3.5-inch trays and up to 3 2.5-inch drive mounts, and the front panel connectivity includes a USB 3.2 Type-C with 20 Gbps capability, to USB 3.1 Type A, USB 2.0 Type A, and a 4-port headset jack. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.